were recently shocked by the news of Tiger Woods' serious car accident. The golf star was seriously injured but luckily survived. He's not the only Hollywood star who narrowly escaped death on the road. Kanye West crashed his car into an oncoming vehicle in 2002. The driver of the other car broke both of his legs while West broke his jaw. On the way home from a concert, Norman Reedus was involved in a car accident in which he was catapulted through the glass of his car onto the street. The star of The Walking Dead later woke up with screws in his nose and an artificial eye socket. In 2015, Caitlyn Jenner lost control of her car and crashed into oncoming traffic. One woman was killed and 7 other people were injured in the accident. In 2008, Morgan Freeman broke his arm, elbow, and had a shoulder injury in a car accident. In 1987, Matthew Broderick caused a serious car accident in Northern Ireland in which a 63-year-old woman and her 28-year-old daughter were killed. He was also seriously injured himself. His passenger and then-girlfriend Jennifer Grey suffered only minor injuries. Kevin Hart was also very lucky as a passenger. In 2019, his friend behind the wheel lost control and the car went over an embankment. Everyone involved survived, but the actor sustained serious back injuries. As a teenager, Rachel Bilson was in a dangerous car accident. Her head was so badly injured that she was in a coma for several days. Miles Teller rolled over several times in a car accident in 2007. He broke his wrist and had to have his shoulder mended with 20 staples. Today, several scars on his face are a reminder of the tragic incident.
Yeah.